So, yes, isang magandang araw ho sa inyong lahat. Yes. So, I'm here in Taraka. Yes, while I was waiting to my parents, dito muna ako nagstay sa sasakyan and do a vlog thingy. So, bakit ba ako napa-vlog? Oo, so ngayon, I want to explore how to do this camera thingy, how to build confidence, and let's see, let's see kung what will happen in the future. So, I hope maging consistent ako sa paggawa ng video and explore more. Actually, my YouTube is already 20 years old, more than 20 years old, pero ngayon lang ata ako nagkakaroon ng interest na mag-create ng video. Alam kong hindi siya yung typical na video na bonggang-bongga just like any other YouTuber kasi sila mga bonggang-bongga na. So, as for me, I'm a mini mo na YouTuber or content creator. So, medyo shy lang ako, guys, ang lola ninyo. So, kaya hindi ako masyadong or nag-hesitate ako na mag-create ng video ko. So, yes. So, ngayon, as of this moment, ini-enjoy ko yung view ng province kasi ang ganda ng kanilang view dito. So, nakaka-relax. And I guess it's a good thing na sumama ko sa kanila, though hindi ko ma-explore ang place, pero looking at the field, looking at the sky na very bongga ang pagkaka-blue and the white clouds is nakaka-feel refreshing. So, I guess alam niyo yung feeling ng ganun. So, sometimes you just need to take a break from your from life, from the busyness of life. So, yun siya. So, anyway, back to our conversation regarding sa pag-build up ng confidence. So, meron isang YouTuber na sabi niya sa akin na if you want to build confidence and you need to show up in front of the camera, you need to talk and then do whatever, kumbaga, have communications with your camera or whatsoever. Kasi if you're going to do this every day or di naman kaya consistently, so in no time, magiging yung confidence mo, you will build it along the way. So, let's see if ever I can build mine as the time goes on, as long as my energy care builds it. So, yes. So, eto lang muna ang aking video, guys, para hindi masyadong mahaba. So, until next time, see you again. And then, this is Jomex.